Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your video by adjusting light, color and effects on the 24 fps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the edit button down below, then select a video and click on the adjust icon, and here, as you can see in the middle, there are a bunch of categories such as light, where you can use these scales like exposure, brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites and blacks. In the color section you can select the tint, vibrance, saturation. In the age SL you can select the hue, saturation and luminance. You can also turn on effects, fringing, detail like clarity. You can also sharpen it, apply vignette, so feather, highlights options are available to you, and the grain also. So if you are done with customizing and editing your video, tap on the check mark icon down below and your video is done. You can save it by tapping on the same button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.